Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into American Express account, secure fix step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the American Express website URL. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to be directed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your user ID and password. Carefully enter your user ID in the first field. Next, move to the password field. Input your password securely. Double-check to ensure both entries are correct. If you've forgotten your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your credentials if needed. After verifying your details, click the Login button to access your account. Wait for the page to load before proceeding. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From there, you can access various features and manage your account effectively. If you experience any issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try logging in from a different web browser or device. If problems persist, reach out to American Express customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.